one, Beth Brown, MetroGlow, Crispin. Track called Free Like a Bird. Gonna send this one out to Charlotte Ilbington.
Taking you back from the past and into the future. This is Centreforce.
Once again, this one, Beth Brown, MetroGlow, Crispin. Free Like a Bird. Once again, send out to Charlotte saying such a beautiful track. So who won then? Little Legs or you? Or Mets man? Let me know. Parents versus children. I want to know the score. Send this one out to the chat room crew. Send out to the Music Matters, Dancing Cloud, Rach B. Not forgetting T70 this evening.
Feels good. Feels good.
Gonna send this one out to where is it? Little Andrea in Waventree with Liverpool, saying hello and always locked on. Loving the tunes, mate. Thank you.